Hey guys, okay, here's my 2011 sets. I'm gonna show you. Here's my set, but here's a guy I want to show you. It comes with a, and this is not my new one I got. This is the new guide I got from the 2011 set. I got from Snoo. And here's my old guide from the, I got for Easter this 2011 set and guy, and here's the new guide I got. He's guide I got from the set, from the new one I got, the new Tony Hawk set, and it's a Barracuda. I really like this guy, and it'll come with it. It'll come with it, and it comes with the general helmet. It doesn't come with the general. It just says the general diver, well, not the diver helmet, the Winter Warriors helmet general, cause you don't get the you don't get the general. You get the helmet. And let's put the diamonds on for some reason. This will come with it. This will come with it. Okay. And then here's my speeder. Oops. And here's the speeder that I got from the old 2011 set. And that's the speeder. Here's the new one I got. Speeder that I got. And it's very cool. I like it. But, okay. And it comes with a picture, like, he takes a picture, like, on one of these guys, or two of them, both of them. And he said, oh, look, General. I took a picture and I found it. And, good dog. And then, here's my old saying that comes with, and find me. We go on a fish. The fish. It very much looks like the Star Wars fish. Or they go in like a submarine. I never watched it. I don't know if it's a submarine. I never watched it. But very much looks like the Nemo fish. Okay. And I very much like his eyes. And it comes with the fins. Look at the fins. Like, here's the fins and stuff. They're the green, fins from the green Lego Winter set. And here's my little guy. It looks like Nemo. Much. Yeah, it looks like so. Here's what grew. Like so. That's it. And that's pretty much it.